Cow looks at an empty food bowl.
Oh no!
Horse's tummy growls. Buffalo pocks dry soil with his hoof nothing. All animals sit sadly under a tree, weak and hungry. A giant bison is here. Whoa, Donald sits on the bison's back.
Donald, look at him.
Yes!
They look like very hungry.
Do something.
Yes!
Donald and Bison start plowing the field.
Huh?
Horse and sheep join to help pull the plow. Donald scatters tiny seeds across the tilled soil. Bison brings water in a big bucket. Few days later, a little green sprout pops out next morning.
Guys, have it food.
Thanks, Bison.
All animals are happily eat the food.
Thanks for helping me, Donald.
Okay, guys, lived happily.
Whoa, 3 bisons are grazing here. Animals happily row boats on the river. Evil T-Rex is here. T-Rex plan to attack the animals.
Huh?
Animals are scared, run to a line.
Animals need our help.
Yes!
Let's make a bamboo crocodile.
All 3 bisons are prepare the bamboo crocodile. Wow, crocodile are ready.
Come on, let's do it.
Yes!
Wow, bamboo crocodile are alive. Wow, bisons are here.
Oh my God, let's escape.
Thank God I am safe.
Huh?
Animals cheer and splash water with joy. A peaceful farm with animals playing happily. Wow, it's a magic portal. 3 giant, colourful cows are here. All farm animals freeze and stare with wide eyes.
What's going on here?
The 3 giant cows look confused and blink. Orange cow falls flat onto the farm.
Oh my God.
Horse lands in a haystack. Buffalo lands in a tree with his legs sticking out. Gorilla splashes into a pond. T-Rex's head is stuck in a barrel. Whoa, Donald Truck is here. Wow, 3 giant trucks are here.
Cows. Come on, get into the truck.
Okay, all right.
Yes!
You guys are leave the farm.
Thanks for helping me, Donald.
Cow and baby cow munch grass happily. Oh no, it's a giant tiger.
Huh?
Farm animals run in fear. Tiger grabs cow and baby cow.
Oh my god!
All the animals are ready to attack the tiger. They race through jungle paths, climb rocky hills, cross a muddy river. They reach Tiger Cave. Huge fight between the farm animals and tigers.
Take this.
It's your turn.
Buffalo, please save me!
I will not leave you. You are safe, no.
Thanks for saving me, guys.
It's okay. Come, let's go to farm.
Beautiful morning in the farm. All animals playing near a bar. A big transport truck sneaks in. Evil driver captured animals. Black Bison hears the noise from Hilltop. Looks serious. White Bison also hears from Forest. Black and White Bison meet at a river.
Come on, let's save the animals.
T-Rex blocked their way. Bison defeat the T-Rex.
Oh no!
Truck reaches old factory. Animals locked in cage. Driver guards the cage with big stick. Black Bison charges and knocks down stick. All animals jump out, free and happy. Driver runs to truck to escape. T-Rex comes back and grabs driver.
Nice.
Everyone climbs onto truck happily.
Guys, are you ready?
Yes!
Nice.
Let's go.
See you again, guys.
All animals are lived happily.
Donald drives a red tractor full of hay.
Hi, guys.
From the hay, cows jump out in style. Whoa, bisons are here. Gorilla, horse, buffalo, an audience.
Guys, are you ready?
It's my turn.
Both the animals have shown incredible talent.
Come on, guys, you can do it.
Yes!
Come on, guys, let's get onto the haystack.
Yes!
They all tumble down together in a big fun fall. All the animals are equal and celebrated. Peaceful farm animals playing happily. Cow finds a shiny magic diamond glowing in the grass.
Yes!
Cow becomes giant cow.
Yes!
Buffalo digs and finds a glowing horn stuck in a log. Buffalo becomes giant buffalo. All the animals are shocked.
Oh my god!
Cow flexes muscles and stomps the ground. Buffalo spins like a tornado.
Huh? What's that sound?
I am coming.
Whoa, T-Rex is here. All 5 heroes team up in front of the 2 giants. Cow and Buffalo are confused. Mr. Donald points to Broken Barn and Shed Farm. Both giants shrink back to normal size. Cow and Buffalo hug and smile. Mr. Donald throws a giant fruit party. Cow digs fast and finds a shiny treasure box.
Yes!
Wow, it's a color brush.
Horse, see this brush?
Come on, let's go to the bison. Bison, we found the magic brush.
Come on, let's test.
Cow paints all 3 buffaloes. The buffaloes wake up and glow with their colors. Red buffalo shoots fire from his horns. Blue buffalo floats in the air with wind spinning.
What is going on here?
All the 3 buffaloes destroyed the farm. Animals are panicked and ran away.
Oh no!
Sheep roll down the hill. Yellow buffalo traps them in vines. Few moments later, T-Rex roars and shoots blue fire into the sky.
We are really sorry, buffaloes. Don't repeat this again.
Buffaloes are back to normal. Early morning in the farm. All the animals are happily leaved in the farm. Donald drives a big transport truck, whistling happily. Oh my God, it's T-Rex. Whoa, it's a crocodile. Crocodile sets up pranks places and air traps and trolley trap. Oh no, it's a trap.
What's going on here? I am coming.
Oh my god!
Gorilla has been defeated. Bison got irritated.
Who is that? Hey, stop there. Take this.
T-Rex, look at me. What?
Abracadabra!
All the animals are attacked. T-Rex has been captured.
Bye-bye. It's not safe.
Early morning duck is relaxing on the pond, floating peacefully. Gorilla sneaks out of the barrens, angry.
Oh no, let's escape. Gorilla chases Duck around the barn like Tom chasing Jerry.
Oh my god!
I will not leave you. Oh no, it's a pig. Horse, can you please stand up?
All right.
Huh? Where is he?
What's going on?
Animals made a toy duck to divert Gorilla.
Hey, stop there.
Right.
Can you please help me?
Whoa!
Come on, let's go.
Good luck, Gorilla.
Whoa!
I am safe here.
Oh my god!
Huh? I am really sorry, Doc.
Duck forgave Gorilla and lived happily. Farm animals are grazing grass peacefully. Duck swims in a small pond. Pig plays in the mud near the barn. Crocodile sneaks out in the farm.
Oh my
crocodile attacked the duck.
Oh my God!
Let's escape.
Let's save the duck from crocodile.
Bison is ready to attack.
I will not leave you.
Buffalo and bison are together to attack the crocodile. Barrel rolls and locks crocodile trapped inside. Bison kicks the barrel repeatedly. All the animals are happy. Hey, Bison and Buffalo thanked each other. All the animals lived peacefully.